In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to add Facebook Pixel to your GoDaddy website. The process essentially involves acquiring your unique Pixel ID from Facebook and then embedding this ID into your GoDaddy website. Now, let's kickstart by understanding how you can get your Pixel ID from Facebook. This would require you to head over to your Facebook Events Manager. If you haven't set up any Meta Pixels before, this would be the time to do so. This is an important step because your unique Pixel ID lies within the setup instructions of this new Meta Pixel, or within the settings of your existing pixels. Once you've found your unique pixel, make sure to copy it for the next step of this tutorial. With your Pixel ID ready and copied, our next destination is the GoDaddy product page. So let's navigate our virtual cursor to reach there. Once you land on the GoDaddy product page, a bit of scrolling might be needed. As you scroll down, you will find a category named Websites plus Marketing. You have to expand this and select the Manage option placed adjacent to your site. Choose Edit Website to navigate further into the website builder. Next, you'll find a navigation panel located on the right-hand side of your screen. Here, it's crucial to pick Settings, as it paves the way to the next step we're about to undertake. In this Settings menu, we're on a hunt to spot the Meta Pixel option. Once it's located, go ahead and choose it. This would open up a field where you're supposed to paste the previously copied Pixel ID. Now remember, it's essential to verify this Pixel ID, ensuring it's the correct one, because this Pixel ID is what makes the difference. Upon verification, paste your unique Pixel ID into the provided field. And just like that, you're almost done. Now, the only thing that stands between you and an embedded Facebook pixel onto your GoDaddy website is a single button. Yes, the Publish button. As the final step of this tutorial, hit Publish. This would make all the changes done before live on your website. So there you have it, a simple, intuitive process to navigating and integrating Facebook Pixel to your GoDaddy website. And like always, remember to test and verify your setup once done to ensure a smooth and flawless operation.